Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious, yummiest and very simple dessert. Keep on watching to see how I achieved this. If you are coming to my channel for the first time, my name is Julia and you are welcome. To all my returning subscribers, you are welcome back. You all are amazing. Thank you for coming back. This is a fast one, so I'm going to be using the already made pastry I bought at my local shop. And I have here brown sugar. I have my strawberries, the frozen ones. You can use the fresh one. On this day I had frozen ones. So you can see it's very easy to make. So let's start making this. And yeah, I forgot to add that I have heavy cream that you will need. You can't skip that. So we'll need heavy cream. Yes. So now I'm just going to be spreading out the pastry. Yes, I did get the already made pastry like I said before. So I'm just going to be spreading it out. And first, you'll be adding your brown sugar. You have to be generous with this. It depends how sweet tooth you have. Or how sweet tooth you are. Yes, we are going to be spreading out the brown sugar. Yes, after that, we are going to just be rolling it up. You can see it was very easy. So get your already made pastry and do this dessert. It's easy and very delicious and yummy. And if you have kids, you've won jackpot. They will love it. Yes, so I've rolled up the first one. I did make two. So the first one is rolled up. I'm just going to be doing the same for the second one. And here, there we have our pastry rolled out with brown sugar. And I'm going to be cutting it out in such shapes. Nothing so special, just cut it out in these shapes. And they are good to go. And after cutting it out, you get your pan, your baking pan, baking plate, whichever one you want to use. But I would suggest use a deep one because we are going to be putting our heavy cream. So we need a deep baking dish. Yes. Now it's time to add the strawberries. You can use any berries of your choice. If I had more berries at home, I would have added blackberries, strawberries, all kinds you have and you like. Yes. So we are going to be adding this now. You have to be generous with this too. That's how you get the sweetness of this dessert. So after adding all my berries, I'm going to be adding brown sugar again. Yes. After adding the brown sugar, now it's time to add your heavy cream. I just use 250 milliliter of heavy cream for this amount of dessert I made. So depends on how many you are making or how much you are making. Feel free to add more heavy cream. Yes. So now it's all ready and it's in the oven. You can see that was very, very fast, easy to make. Yes. And I must tell you, it was very, very delicious. And yeah, we just baked for 30 minutes and it was done. You allow it to cool off. And here is the after look. I'm just going to allow it to cool off. And then I'm just going to be putting my icing sugar on top. That is optional. You don't have to do that, but I just did anyway. But you can skip this part. Yes. And yeah, our dessert is ready. I don't even know what to call this, strawberries, whatever dessert, but I must tell you it was very delicious. So here's me taking a taste of it. And yes, like I said, it was very delicious. I hope you'll be trying this out. If you did, let me know in the comment section, or if you will do, let me know. I will really appreciate that. And if you are coming across my channel for the first time and you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel to grow. And give this video a like, a thumbs up, yes. And most importantly, put on the notification bell. That way you get to see a new video anytime I post one. Thank you all for watching. And to my returning subscribers, you all are amazing. Thank you guys. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.